So hi friends, welcome to TP Chennai. So now we will discuss IBPS clerical model paper number 24, right? So when you see this question here, so 36 to 39 they ask wrong number to you, right? So when you see the first wrong number 7.4, 19.9, 32.5, 47.2, 58, 70.9, right? So clearly difference logic will come. So here how much gap is there? 12.5. Here how much gap is there? 12.6. So here what should come? 12.7. 32.5 plus 12.7 is nothing but how much? Not 47.2, right? This is the wrong number, right? This is the wrong number, right? Next one, 78, 85, 105, 132, 168, 213, right? So here how much gap is there? 45. Here how much gap is there? 36, right? So here how much gap is there? 27. Second gap should be mind calculation. 9. So here 9. When you add 9, this is the wrong number, right? Because when you see difference here how much difference is there? It is nothing but 20. 20 and 27, 9 gap is not there. That means always middle number is the problem. This is the wrong number, right? Next one, 24, 40, 65, 101, 151, 214, right? Here how much gap is there? Here how much gap is there? 25. Here how much gap is there? 36. 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, next gap will be 7 square, 101 plus 48 is nothing but how much? 150, right? Next gap will be how much? So 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, which is there, right? Last one, 6, 14, 40, 105, 230, right? So here what is the problem? Where is the wrong number here? So here when you see the wrong number, so what they have given you? 6, 14, 41, right? So here how much gap is there? Plus 8, right? Here how much gap is there? 2 cube, 3 cube should come, right? 27 plus 14 is nothing but how much? 41. Again 4 cube and again 5 cube. So in the place of 40, 41 should come, right? Right, now we will see statement sums. So 41, the average weight of Soumya, Ajit and Shruti is 65 kg. If the average weight of Soumya and Ajit be 63 kg and that of Ajit and Shruti be 70 kg, then what is the weight of Ajit? Right, simple question from average. So what they have given you? My average weight of Soumya, Ajit and Shruti, right? So Soumya plus Ajit plus Shruti. Average is 65, total will be how much? 195. How? 65 into 3. Then next one, average weight of Soumya and Ajit. So Soumya and Ajit is how much they gave you? 63. Total will be how much? 126, right? If you take the difference here, you will be getting Shruti. Shruti is nothing but how much? You will be getting 69. It's nothing but how much? 69. Now what they have given? Ajit and Shruti weight is 70, right? So total will be how much? Ajit plus Shruti is nothing but 140, right? Shruti we know 69. So Ajit will be how much? 140 minus 69, 71. My answer is nothing but second option. So next one, 42. If the number 583 blank 436 is completely divisible by 18, then the smallest whole number in the place of blank digit will be how much, right? So from the option directly, right? So they have simply mentioned that they have given one number. So 583, one blank is there, 436. So from the option which blank should come here and it should divisible by 18. So when you keep fifth option 7, you can divide this number by 18. So my answer is nothing but fifth option, right? Next one, 43. Ramveer covers 2/3 of a certain distance in 2 hours 30 minutes at the rate of n km per hour. He covers the remaining distance at the rate of n plus 2 km per hour in 50 minutes. What is the total distance, right? So this is also simple one, right? So Ramveer covered 2/3 of a certain distance is at a speed of n kilometers. Speed is equal to distance by time. I don't know what is distance is there. So 2x by 3. And what is the time? 2 hours 30 minutes. 2 hours 30 minutes when you convert, how much you will be getting? 5/2, right? So this will become 5/2. So 2x by 3, this is nothing but 2/5. So it is 4x by 15. This is my n, right? Second, he covers remaining distance, but 2x by 3 is nothing but one distance. Remaining will be how much? X by 3. X by 3 in what time? N plus 2. N plus 2, that means 4x by 15 plus 2 is equal to remaining distance is how much? 2x by 5, right? It is nothing but 2x by x by 3. X by 3 in how much time? 50 minutes, right? So it will become how much? 50 by 60, 5 by 6, it becomes 6 by 5. So it is nothing but 2x by 5, right? So 4x by 15 plus 2 is equal to 2x by 5. If you transpose this value there, what you will be getting? 2x by 5 minus 4x by 15 is equal to 2. LCM is 15. 6x minus 4x is equal to 2. So what you will be getting? 2x by 15 is equal to 2 cancel. What is the answer? Answer is nothing but 15 kilometer. So my answer is nothing but fourth option. So next one again comes from profit and loss. 44th one. 2/3 of a certain number of goods were sold at a profit of 9% and the remaining at a loss of 6%. If the total profit was rupees 720, find the total cost price of the goods, right? Already we have seen this type of question in one paper, right? So already I told you, directly you write CP is equal to how much total profit they have given you? 720 into 100, because percentage is there, divided by my first one 2/3 at a profit of 9%. So 2 by 3 into 9. Second, so 2 by 3 is gone. Remaining is how much? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 at a loss of 6%. That's why minus symbol will come, right? This is nothing but 3 and this is nothing but 2. 6 minus 2, 4. So 720 into 100 divided by 4. 4 18s are. So my answer is nothing but how much? 18,000. So which is nothing but fourth option. Right, next one 66. Shobha and Saurav have equal amount. Shobha invested on CI for 2 years at a rate of 10% per annum and Saurav invested 200 by 3% of the amount at the rate of R% per annum on simple interest and the remaining amount at the rate of 6.5% per annum on simple interest. If the interest received by both at the end of 2 years are equal, then find the value of R, right? Now here when you start keeping 100, or I mean when you start keeping X gone, right, it is time taking question, right? So what we will do, we will assume one number based upon the condition. They have given you 200 by 3%, which is 200 by 3. So I assume 300 rupees is the principal, right? Now this is divided among both the person. That means you have Shobha and then you are having Saurav, right? Both the persons are having 300. What Shobha is doing, she invested CI on CI for 2 years at the rate of 10% per annum. 10% per annum for 2 years, successive percentage 10 plus 10 plus 10 into 10 by 100, right? So it is nothing but how much? 21% of 300, which is nothing but how much? 63, right? So Shobha is nothing but 63. Now comes to second person, Saurabh. Saurabh invested 200 by 3%. But 200 by 3% is nothing but 200 by 300 into Saurabh amount is also 300 only, right? That means Saurabh invested 200 here at R% on simple interest for 2 years, right? So which is nothing but 2R by 100. So it is nothing but how much? 4R, right? Out of 300, Saurav invested 300. Out of 300, Saurav invested here itself, right? 200. Remaining is how much? 100. So for that 100, what he is doing? He is investing the remaining amount at 6.5% for 2 years. 6.5% for 2 years is nothing but 13 by 100, right? 100 and it cancel. This is nothing but 13. Now they are saying that interest received by both at the end of 2 years are equal. My interest of Shobha is 63. And interest of Saurabh is nothing but 4R. Here and here you are having 13. Both the interests are equal. So 50 is equal to 4R. R is equal to 50 by 4, which is nothing but 12.5%. So my answer is nothing but second option, right? So 67th one. Ravi sold a pen to Beena at rupees 60 profit. Beena increased its mark price by 50% and then sold it to Chitra at a discount of 25%. Profit earned by Beena is rupees 10 more than Ravi, right? Find the cost price of Ravi. Okay. So step by step I am writing here. My cost price of Ravi is nothing but X, right? Now he is giving to Chitra, Beena. So cost price of Beena is nothing but how much? X plus 60. Right? What Beena is doing? So Beena is increased its mark price by 50% and then sold it to Chitra. So selling price of Beena is nothing but how much? X plus 60 into 150 by 100 into 25% discount she is giving. 25 3s are 25 4s are 50 3s are 52s are. So 9 divided by 8 X plus 60. Right? This is selling price of Beena. Right? Now what they have given you? Profit earned by Beena is rupees 10 more than Ravi, right? So Ravi, Beena is nothing but how much? 9 by 8 X plus 60, right? And profit of Ravi is nothing but how much? X plus 60 is equal to how much they give? They give 10 more than Ravi. Ravi is already having 60 rupees profit, so it is nothing but more than that. So it is nothing but 70. So X plus 60 will be common. Here 9 by 8 minus 1 is equal to 70. So what you will be getting? X plus 60 divided by 8 is equal to 70. So X is equal to how much? 70 into 8 is 560. 560 minus 60 is nothing but how much? 500. X is equal to 500, and that is what they are asking. Cost price of Ravi is X only. Answer is 500, right? Which is second option. Right, next one, 68. A jar contains mixture of liquid P and Q in the ratio 4:1. If 10 liters of mixture is taken out and the same amount of liquid Q poured into the jar, the ratio becomes 2:3. Then find how many liters of liquid P contained in the jar initially, right? Ratio method is the best method to solve this question, right? So what they have given you? They have given you P and Q in jar. What is the initial ratio? 4:1, right? Then they removed 10 liters of mixture, and then they added, they removed 10 liters from the mixture, and then they added 10 liters in liquid Q, so that ratio is nothing but 2:3. They added 10 liters from, they removed 10 liters of mixture, and then they added 10 liters in liquid Q. So which part should be same? P part should be same. P part is 4, P part is 2. Make it same. So this is nothing but how much? 4:6. Now here in Q, how much we have added? 5. There, how much they added? 10. So one part is nothing but how much? 2, right? Now what is the quantity total? 14. 14 into 2 is 10. 10 into 2 is nothing but how much? 20, right? Now this 20 is divided among this ratio 4:1. So again 5 part is 20, right? So one part is nothing but how much? 4. What they are asking? They are asking find the how many liters of liquid P was there. P is 4 part only, so 4 part is how much? 16 liter. So my answer is nothing but 16 liter, right? So last one, 69. 18 persons applied for 3 posts in a company, in which 6 persons did BSc, 4 persons did MCom, and 8 persons did LLB. If 3 persons selected, find the probability that 1 selected person did BSc and 2 persons did LLB, right? Probability question here. So very simple one. Totally how many persons are there? 18 persons are there. From that, how many persons they selected? So 3 persons. So it is nothing but 18C3, which will come in the denominator. Then out of that, they are saying that find the probability that 1 person selected should be BSc. BSc, how many persons are there? 6 persons are there. From that, you have to pick 1, 6C1 into. Remaining will be LLB. LLB, how many persons are there? 8. So remaining is of course 2 only, right? So 6C1 is nothing but 6. 8C2 is nothing but 8 into 7 by 2, which is 28, right? And 18C3 is nothing but how much? 18 into 17 into 16 divided by 3 into 2 into 1, right? So 6 3s are, so this is nothing but how much? 51 into 16, right? 3 2s are, 3 17s are, right? And 2 8s are, 2 14s are, 2 4s are, 2 7s are. So my answer is nothing but how much? 7 by 7 by 34, right? 7 by 34, which is nothing but second option, right? Right, so next one is again 61 to 64. They ask DI, right? So they mentioned study the following graph carefully and answer the questions given below. Number of students enrolled in 3 different colleges, PQR, in 5 different years, right? So they have given you PQR with respect to 5 different years, starts from 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013 and 2014, right? So based upon that, they ask a question, right? So 61, what they have asked? Ratio of number of male to female students in college of Q in 2011, right? So male and female, what is the ratio they have given you? 16:9 of Q in 2011. So when you see the table here, Q in 2011, what is the value? It's nothing but how much? 375. When you see the table here, each gap is 25. So 25 part is 375, or one part is nothing but how much? 2515 part, right? Now they are saying that, and total number of professors in the same year and the same college is 100 by 9% of total number of females from the same college. Female is how much? 9 part. 9 part is nothing but 135. What is 100 by 9%? It is nothing but how much? 1 by 9. So take 1 by 9 of this number. So what is my answer? My answer is nothing but 15, which is nothing but second option, right? 62. If number of male students in college R in the year 2013 and male students in college P in 2010 are equal. So number of students in college R is nothing but how much in the year 2013? It is nothing but 500, right? It is nothing but 500. This is R in the year 2013, right? And male students in 2010 are equal. Okay, then so total they have given you, right? Total, this is nothing but total, right? Then what is the percentage of female students in college P in 2010, given that ratio of male to female students in college R in 2013 is nothing but 13:12. Now this is divided among what ratio? 13:12, right? So total part is 25, 25 part is 500, one part is nothing but how much? 20, right? This is nothing but male to female, right? Male to female, right? They are saying that male students, so male part is nothing but how much? Male part is 500, right? In that female part is how much? 240, right? Then they are saying that number of male students in college are in 2013. 2013, what is the value? 500. So which is nothing but 500, 500 both are same, right? And remaining is how much? 300. So 40 divided by 300 into 100, right? So my answer is nothing but how much? 40 by 3. My answer is nothing but how much? 40 by 3. Right, next one, if 20% of students from college are in 2014 are transferred in the same college in the year 2012, then find the ratio of students in college R in 2012 to the total number of students in 2014 now, right? R in 2014, what is the value? R in 2014 is nothing but 450. When you transfer 20%, which is 1 by 5, it is nothing but how much? 90. So 90 students you are transferring in R in 2012. R in 2012, what is the value? It is nothing but how much? 250. That means you need to add 90. It will become how much? 340, right? R in 2012. This is R in 2012. Okay. Now you need to subtract here 90 because R you transferred from here to here. So R in 2012 is nothing but how much? 360. R in 2014 is how much? 340. Now what they are asking? Find the ratio of students in R in 2012 to R in 2014, right? So what is my ratio? My answer is nothing but first option. I mean 18:70, right? This is my answer. Okay. Last one, 64. Average of students in college Q from all the years are what percent less or more than average students in college are from all the years together, right? So when you add Q for all the years, how much you will be getting? You will be getting 1875, right? This is Q. Q in the year, Q for all the year is what percent more or less than average student from R. So R also when you add, how much you will be getting? You will be getting 1775, right? So now average is there, no need to divide by 3, right? So how much gap is there? So when you subtract this number 0, 0, 1, 100 divided by 1775 into 100. When you do this one, approximately your answer is nothing but 6%. That is what they are asking approximately. So answer is nothing but fifth option.